मैं स्पीच के लिए आवाज़ देना चाहता हूँ। इंग्लिश स्पीच मिर्ज़ा जोहा क्लास 9 थे कि वो आएँ और इंग्लिश में स्पीच देकर सामीन किराम के गोश गुजार करें।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, Program President, Guest of Honor, respected Manager, Principal, President, members of the Management Committee, teachers, audience and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum all of you. I myself Mirza Zoha from class 9 stand before you to express my opinion on the topic remove the clouds of despair on this holy occasion of school's annual function. According to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, life is a school to teach us, face hardship and become successful in life. Once, a young man did not get through his examination. Because of despair and disgust, he decided to put an end of his life. Just then, the story of the spider and the king flashed through his mind, in which the king took inspiration from the spider and won the battle. The young man also decided to make an attempt for a second time. He did not only get through his examination, but also got first place in the merit list. The adversities and difficulties of life make us to do our best and carve out the path of success. According to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, winds and waves are always favorable to an able navigator. Let us bring out the best within us and prove ourselves an able navigator. Honorable Chief Guest, I would like your kind attention at this point that on a cloudy day, the clouds hide the sun, but the sun is always there, shining behind them. The clouds of thoughts, worries and desire cover and hide our confidence and intelligence. We have to disperse them in order to gain necessary strength and power. We should keep in mind that success is not something far away and unattainable. We cannot see the treasure at the bottom of muddy lake, though it is there. Make the water still and let the mud sing, and you will see the treasure. The treasure is there, whether you see it or not, so is the success. It is always here, only covered and hidden. Just calm the mind and be relaxed. The way to success will appear before you. That a wholehearted and determined effort is needed. The treasure of success is within us. It is for us to see it and disperse the clouds of worries and despair. Success will be ours. At last, I would like to say that God has a plan for everything and every person. He makes the person to come on right track after walking a few false steps. But in the end, the person is bound to succeed if he makes necessary effort after every failure. Adversity illuminates the path of heaven. Thanks.